In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify identity on Patreon. If Patreon has asked you to confirm your identity, don't worry. The process is usually straightforward, and it's there to help keep accounts secure and make sure payout information is properly validated. I'll walk you through what to look for and how to complete the verification smoothly. First, check for any official notification from Patreon. This could appear as an email, a dashboard alert, or a message inside your account. The key here is to make sure the request is legitimate and tied directly to your Patreon account. If you've been asked to verify your account or payout details, you'll usually see a clear prompt explaining what needs to be completed. Once you've confirmed that verification is required, open your account settings. In many cases, the prompt will also appear in the billing or payouts area, especially if the verification is connected to receiving funds. Look for a banner, warning, or action button that takes you to the identity verification page. This is where Patreon will guide you through the required information. Next, enter your personal details carefully. You'll typically be asked for your legal name, your date of birth, and your address. It's very important that these details match your official documents exactly. Even small differences like abbreviations, missing middle names, or formatting issues can sometimes delay the review process. Take an extra moment to double check everything before moving on. After that, you'll need to upload a valid government-issued ID. This might be a passport, a driver's license, or another accepted form of identification, depending on your region. When taking the photo, make sure the image is clear, well lit, and free from glare or shadows. Try to place the ID on a flat surface or hold it steady so all the text and edges are visible. Blurry or cropped images are one of the most common reasons verification takes longer. From there, complete any final review steps. Patreon's verification provider may ask for a live selfie check or a few additional prompts to confirm that the ID belongs to you. Follow the instructions exactly as they appear on screen, and when everything is complete, submit your information for review. After submission, you may need to wait a little while for the verification to be processed. If anything is unclear or rejected, Patreon will usually let you know what needs to be corrected. As long as your details match and your images are clear, the process should go as smoothly as possible.